Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. We are going to do common reasons why your car stalls while driving or idle. So basically, this scenario where your car stalls, a lot of people panic, right? And they panic a lot more when it stalls in traffic. So you're gonna have a mix of frustration, worry, etc., etc. But don't worry about it. I'm gonna give you reasons to troubleshoot why your car stalls. All right. So stalling can occur at any time if you have issues. If your car has issues, including when starting your car, when coming to a stop, when idling. So in certain rare instances, a car can stall when cruising at operating speeds, which can be extremely scary and dangerous. There is not a singular cause for car stalling which serves as the underlying issue in every case, but there are a number of different reasons why it could stall. And let me just tell you what the term stalling means. Essentially, with a car, it means the sudden loss of power to a vehicle's operating systems. And stalling can happen for a couple of reasons, some of which are mechanical and others are electrical. And in some cases, the car can restart without any issues after stalling. However, in other cases, a car may crank or may not crank at all. But let's just go down the top list of why cars might stall. It could be a fuel system issue. Any issue within a vehicle's fuel system can lead to near immediate stalling issues of this type. Most commonly include loss of fuel pressure, and this condition could be caused by a failing fuel pump, severe fuel leak, or an obstruction within the fuel system itself. In any case, a lack of fuel pressure delivery prevents the engine from achieving proper combustion. All right. You could have a charging system issue. Once your car starts, engine and component operation is sustained through delivery of the engine's charging system voltage. The most critical component within this system is a car's alternator, which generally provides 13.5 to 14.5 volts per normal operation. However, a faulty alternator can provide significantly less voltage, leading to rapid battery discharge, and that discharge can lead to your car stalling in short order, even with a relatively new full battery. Spark related issues. All gas engines relies upon spark delivery to ignite the air fuel mixture within each cylinder. If this spark suddenly ceases, engine stalling will occur as a result. Faulty ignition coils, deteriorated distribution caps, and damaged rotor buttons are all common sources of spark loss, which have the ability to induce a stalling condition. Such issues can occur at any speed or idle. All right, next up, sensor issues. Issues with certain sensors can and will induce car stalling. This occurs when irrational, incomplete, or incorrect data is provided to an engine's ECU, ECM, PCU, which is the car's computer. And some of the most common sensors that could be responsible for engine stalling include the engine coolant temperature sensor, the mass airflow sensor, and throttle position sensor. Additionally, issues related to vehicle's throttle body or idle air control valve can also cause your car to stall. Next up, you could have a vacuum leak. All right, a vacuum leak is most accurately described as the introduction of unmetered air into the engine. Large vacuum leaks can cause a lean condition within a vehicle's engine, meaning that fuel delivery is insufficient to match the volume of air within each combustion chamber. This in turn can lead to stalling at random intervals. Problems of this nature are often most noticeable at startup in colder weather, as a richer fuel mixture is required for operation. Also, another thing that could cause your vehicle to stall is the lockup of belt-driven accessories. The sudden failure of belt-driven accessories can also lead to vehicle stalling when such components such as the AC compressor or power steering pump lock up or seizes. Resistance is placed upon an engine's drive belt. If the belt itself does not snap, excessive resistance will also be placed upon the engine's crank pulley. This in turn can smother an engine out, putting it into a stall in the process. And in that process, you will not get the car to start back up again. It would be a no crank, no start issue until you take that belt off or change out that component. You guys can have timing issues. The vast majority of today's internal combustion engines have timing chains or timing belts, and these belts and chains synchronize the time between the engine's crankshaft and top end components. If a timing chain or belt were to stretch or break, an engine's timing can shift, causing a stall, and in most extreme cases, the breakage of a timing belt or chain can lead to severe internal engine damage. All right, so you guys could also have transmission issues. Occasionally, severe transmission issues can result in engine stalling. Failures of this type put excess strain on an engine, essentially bogging it down as a result. Clutch-related problems, manual and torque converter issues, automatic, tend to be among the most common of these failures. In any event, these kind of problems get worse over time. All right, guys, so those are some of the reasons why your car could be stalling. So you guys gonna have to troubleshoot that. In any case, if you guys have your own experiences with your car stalling, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. It might help other people out. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. All that good stuff. All right, guys, take care.